Buzz Solutions works hand in hand with drone service providers, or DSPs, and DSPs provide this invaluable service to the utility industry specifically, where they are able to gather images that the utilities can then use for their inspection programs. What partnering with Buzz allows the DSPs to do is add insights onto the data they're already collecting, sometimes thousands of images for these utilities. They can use Buzz's visual intelligence software to identify anomalies, faults, things that are broken, but also things that aren't broken, just for general asset management. Where are these assets that might be healthy and on what structures in their system? We also support DSPs by providing resources like our data collection methodology guide, which helps them to know the distances and angles and things like that they should be using when collecting this data that will better interact with our AI models. So at the end of the day, it's a very productive partnership where the DSPs are the experts at the data collection. Buzz Solutions is the expert at the AI analysis piece of that, and then together we can provide actionable insights for the utilities to use in preventative maintenance, post-storm, and beyond.